Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the new session, metric measures. So, already last session we have discussed about the units of length: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. I have already said you one mnemonic to remember these units. Kangaroos hopping down don't care much. If you remember this one, it is very easy to write these all units in a one order, so that it will be easy for you to do the conversions. And now today we are going to learn how to convert from smaller unit to bigger unit and bigger unit to the smaller unit. Before that, first of all, we'll arrange all these in the order: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Now we'll see how to convert from higher unit to smaller unit and smaller unit to higher unit. So for example, the question is convert 247 kilometers into decimeters. Now where is kilometer? This is kilometer. You need to convert to decimeter. So you are coming down like this. So as I said you, when you are moving down, you need to multiply. So first write 1 kilometer is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, which is 10,000 decimeters. So 1 kilometer is equal to 10,000 decimeters means how to convert 247 kilometers into decimeter? 247 into 10,000 decimeters, which is 247,000. So read this one: 24,70,000 decimeters. So when you are converting from kilometer to decimeter, see in this, we are moving down. How many steps we came down? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, which is 1 kilometer is equal to 10,000 decimeters. So 247 kilometers is equal to 247 into 10,000 decimeters, which is 24,70,000 decimeters. This is how to convert from higher unit to the lower unit. So one more example we will see how to convert 12 decimeters into millimeters. Now where is decimeter? Fifth position. Where is millimeter? Last position, seventh position. So here also you are coming down. So when you are moving down, what you need to do? Multiply. So first write 1 decimeter is equal to, how many steps we are coming down? 1, 2. 10 into 10, which is 100 millimeters. 1 decimeter is equal to 100 millimeters. 12 decimeters is equal to 12 into 100, which is 1200 millimeters. As you can see the question again, we are converting decimeter to millimeter. Decimeter is the higher unit, millimeter is the smaller unit. We are converting from higher unit to smaller unit. 1 decimeter is equal to 100 millimeters. So 12 decimeters is equal to 12 into 100, 1200 millimeters. Now we will see how to convert from lower unit to the higher unit. Just see 3042 meters into kilometers. How to convert? Where is meter? This is meter. Meter to kilometer we need to convert. So that means we are moving up. When we are moving up, as I said, you need to divide. How many steps we are moving up? 1, 2, 3. So first write 1 meter is equal to, when you are moving up, I said you write that as a fraction, 1 by 1000 kilometers. And 3042 meters is equal to 3042 by 1000. This is nothing but like a division. You can write this as the decimal number also. Denominator, you see how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So here first write the given number 3042. Now count 3 digits from right to left. 1, 2, 3. Put a point and write the unit kilometers. So simply you can convert meters to kilometers. Now come back to the question. The question is convert 3042 meters into kilometers. So here we are converting smaller unit to higher unit. When you are converting smaller unit to higher unit, you need to divide. We are going 3 steps in upward direction. 1, 2, 3. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers, and 3042 meters is equal to 3042 by 1000. So as denominator we can see 3 zeros. So move from right to left, 3 digits after, place a point. That is 3.042 kilometers. Now one more example you just see. Convert 3552 centimeters into meters. Now where is centimeter? Where is meter? See in this order, centimeter is here and meter is here. We are moving 2 steps in the upward direction. 1, 2. So first write 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meters. Now 3552 centimeters is equal to 3552 by 1000. As I said, first write the total number 3552. See the number of zeros in the denominator, 1, 2. So here also 1, 2, place a point. Now write 35.52 meters. Now once again listen, we are converting centimeters to meters. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters, and 3552 centimeters is equal to 3552 by 100, which is 35.52 meters. If you don't know how to place these points, directly you can divide and then you can write as in decimal numbers. This is how to convert from higher unit to the lower unit and lower unit to the higher unit. Always remember, when you are converting from higher unit to lower unit, that means you will be moving down. Then you need to multiply, and smaller unit to the higher unit, that means you will be moving in upward direction. That time you need to divide. So I hope you all understood. This is all for today's session. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment box. Bye bye everyone.